If your Epic Games Launcher is stuck saying it's currently running even when you can't see it open, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix the Epic Games Launcher currently running error using Task Manager. This is the most effective method because it completely closes every hidden Epic Games process and lets you relaunch the app cleanly. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Task Manager. To do that, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, then select Task Manager from the menu. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see all of the running processes. Once Task Manager is open, click on the Processes tab. This is where Windows shows all the apps and background processes currently running on your computer. Now look carefully for anything related to Epic Games Launcher. You may see a process named Epic Games Launcher, EpicGamesLauncher.exe, or something very similar. Sometimes there can be more than one entry, so make sure you check all of them. When you find one, right-click on it and select End Task. Do the same for every Epic Games Launcher process you see. The goal here is to make sure nothing from Epic is still running in the background, because even one hidden process can cause the launcher to think it is already open. After you've ended all of the Epic Games processes, close Task Manager and try launching Epic Games Launcher again. In most cases, this will fix the error immediately and the launcher should start normally. If it opens without the currently running message, then the issue is resolved. If you still have trouble, go back into Task Manager and double check that no Epic Games Launcher processes are still active. It's important to make sure every related task has been fully ended before trying again. This quick cleanup step solves the problem for a lot of users because it clears out stuck background sessions. So just to recap, open Task Manager, go to Processes, find every Epic Games Launcher or EpicGamesLauncher.exe entry, end each task, and then reopen the launcher. That's the simplest and most reliable fix. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.